Which of the following is true? First one is fields are geographic phenomena that occur everywhere in the study area. Second is objects are geographic phenomena that occur sparsely over the study area. Fields can be continuous or discrete. Objects can be classified based on location, shape, size and orientation. And all of the above. What is the answer? Yes, you got it right. It's all of the above. Now, what is a field and what is an object? In order to represent in geography, we use two things. Fields for natural phenomena, objects for man-made phenomena. Fields are the geographic phenomena that occur everywhere in the study area. Objects are geographic phenomena that occur sparsely over the study area, and they are the man-made things. Fields are generally for the geographic phenomena that occur everywhere. It happens naturally. Fields can be continuous and discrete. Objects will always be discrete only. Objects can be classified based on location, shape, size and orientation. So the field view is kind of a function. You give us the location, we'll give you the elevation, the temperature, the pressure, because this is a naturally occurring phenomena representation. We are talking about field. Field represents the real world as a finite number of variables, each one defined at each possible location or position. Object is like a building. So this building is not man-made, it's not natural, it's man-made, it is created by us.